How to remove users from Netflix. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In this video, I'll simply be guiding you on how you can actually remove users from Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now of course, there could be two most likely things that you could be talking about as a person, and that is that if I open up Netflix, in this case over here, I just open the Netflix application here, then all I need to do is, you could be talking about first thing, that is you want to remove this profile. Now if you're talking about removing these profiles, keep in mind you're not actually removing the users, you're only removing the profiles. The users can automatically create a new profile as long as they have your login details, right? So if you want to remove this, you can just tap this edit button here, select the profile you want to remove here, scroll down, then just select the option called delete profile, which you see here, and this profile is going to be deleted. But in case you're talking about the option that says you to actually delete your all of the devices that is actually currently signed into your Netflix account, then to do that, just tap the account icon from the top right after you log in, scroll down, go to accounts over here. Then once you go to accounts, in this case, all you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom, then you'll find the option called sign out of all devices. What this does is that all of the devices and users who are currently logged into your Netflix account will be signed out automatically, and it will require them a password to actually sign in back again. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.